In the last video, we imported our data into Microsoft Excel. Now it's time to do a bit of cleanup. Again, all of your data is in two columns going down the entire length of the file. You want to make sure that all of your runs are accessible and easy to get at, so that way when you're making your graphs, it's not going to take you a long time. So, first I'm going to delete some of the extra information that is up here at the top. You can do this by clicking on the number of each row and dragging down. I'm going to leave one space above the data to write some information. After I've highlighted that information, right click and select delete. The rows that had been highlighted are now deleted, and there's only one row at the top of the spreadsheet that is now blank. I'm going to title the first column as time, with the unit of seconds in parentheses. In the next column over, this information is my temperature data. This is the temperature data from run 1. Run 1. Now, I want to have all the information for all the other runs going across my spreadsheet. So I will go down to run number 2. As I scroll down, run 2. I will highlight the information of temperature from run 2. And I want to take this information and place it up next to the data from run number 1. I will now right click on the data and click cut. The data now has a border that is blinking all the way around it. I go back up to the top, and in the next column over, next to run number 1, I'll place my cursor in the column labeled C, the second cell, right click, and click paste. You can use the keyboard shortcuts for this of Control X and Control V to cut and then paste your data. I will then go to the top of the column and make the title run 2. Repeat this process for the rest of the data in your data sheet. I've repeated this process, and now I have 6 runs that are next to each other at the top of my data sheet. In the next video, we will actually create some graphs using this information.